Ready to conquer the Pte Retell Lecture and boost your score? Step 1. Let's dissect the Retell Lecture task. You'll hear a lecture and have to summarize it. Effective note-taking is your secret weapon before the lecture. Predefine these sections of your note-taking template: topic, main ideas, supporting details, and keywords. Having these headings prepared will save you precious seconds during the lecture. Step 2. Master the art of abbreviation and symbols. Time is of the essence. Use shortcuts like IMP for important, CUS for cause, and draw arrows to show relationships between ideas. Symbols, like question marks for confusion and plus or minus signs for positive or negative points, will also significantly help. Step 3 is structure. Don't just scribble, organize. Use a mind map or write in columns. Place the central topic or main idea at the top or center. Branch out to record supporting details. Is visual structure will make it easier to connect and recall information when you retell. Step 4. Practice active listening. Focus intently, avoid distractions, and try to anticipate the lecture's structure. Actively listening helps connect the pieces of information more effectively, so you remember the main points to convey in the summary. Finally, the magic is in the practice. Regularly practice taking notes and summarizing lectures with these note-taking strategies: identifying key info, using abbreviations, structuring notes logically, and active listening. You can ace the Pte Retell Lecture and boost your overall score. Good luck and happy studying!